How to find your passion. Why is finding your passion valuable? Hey there, amazing people. Today we exploring ideas that spark growth and transformation, a life-changing topic, how to find your passion. And why is finding your passion valuable? If you've ever asked yourself, what am I really meant to do? Then this is for you. What is passion? Passion is the energy that fuels your dreams and gives meaning to your efforts. Passion doesn't always hit you like a lightning bolt. It's more like a spark, something that excites you.
Steps to finding your passion. Step 1. Reflect on your interests and skills. Take some time to reflect. Ask yourself these questions. What do I love to do, even if I'm not perfect at it yet? What topics could I talk about for hours? What do I feel good at or want to get better at? Write down everything that comes to mind. It could be as simple as gardening or as complex as designing apps. No judgment. This is your starting point. Step 2. Experiment and explore. Passion doesn't just show up. You discover it by doing. Start experimenting with new activities. Take a class, join a community group, or shadow someone in a field that interests you. The key is to stay curious and open-minded. Remember, every no leads you closer to your yes. Step 3. Pay attention to your joy zones. Pay attention to your emotions. What activities make you feel alive, energized, or deeply fulfilled? These are your joy zones. Your passion often lies where your happiness and skills intersect. Step 4. Overcome fear and self-doubt. Let's be real, fear and self-doubt are passion killers. You might think I'm too old, too inexperienced, or too busy. But here's the truth. It's never too late to start. Passion thrives when you push past your comfort zone. So take that leap of faith, even if it's small. Step 5. Make time for your passion. Make space in your life to nurture your passion. Schedule it like an appointment you can't miss. The more you invest in it, the more it grows into something extraordinary.
Why is finding your passion valuable? Finding your passion is more than just a feel-good idea. It's a game changer. Why? Because it makes life more enjoyable and fulfilling. Imagine waking up each day excited about what lies ahead. That's the power of aligning your life or career with what truly lights you up. Passion plays a huge role in your career. Whether you're just starting out or considering a major shift, it's never too early or too late to discover what excites you. A career fueled by passion often leads to higher motivation, better performance, and a sense of fulfillment.
Your passion doesn't always have to be your paycheck. Some people choose to dedicate their careers to their passions, like a musician who performs full-time. Others, like a software developer who loves photography, pursue their passions in their free time. Both paths are equally valid. It depends on what your passion is, whether it can sustain your lifestyle, if you want it tied directly to your income, whether you weave your passion into your career or keep it as a beloved hobby. The choice is yours. The important thing is to make time for it in your life. Passion fuels creativity, boosts happiness, and gives you a deeper sense of purpose.
Note: finding your passion is one of the most valuable investments you can make in yourself. It's the key to living a life that excites and fulfills you. So, what's your passion? Is it something you're already exploring or something you're ready to discover? Thanks for watching, and remember, your passion is out there waiting for you to find it.